this called tomorrow when you will appear in prelims. So there are some of the sections in GS where your hit rate should be over 80%, 90%. Means number of correct questions that you can do. The one is called, let's say that ki polity. Other is called modern history. This. Then it comes, let's say, economy. Then it comes, this is called this geography plus environment ecology. This you should know. Then other will come. So here you can have hit rate of 80 to 90%. Here you will have hit rate of 80 to 90%. This you will not achieve here. You will be able to having 60 to 70%. And same thing 60 to 70%. This. It means that tomorrow when you appear in prelims, so you will have to rely for qualifying prelims more and more on polity and modern history. This. Because in this there is a possibility of qualifying, means correcting more questions than in other sections, unless you have your optional like geography and other things. No. This. So it is because of that you have to build a strong foundation. Getting my question? This. Why people do not qualify prelims? Because of these flaws. Right. They don't understand, they prepare by brute force, they don't understand the orientation and techniques of what UPSC, let's say that examination is or what the paper is. This. So that's why it is important. तो आपको ये लगेगा, you may feel कि हमें पढ़ना कितना है, why I should read it. But no, today or tomorrow if you want to achieve this, you have to read that. So at least 2-3 sections should be so strong that you have the hit rate called probability of correct question that comes to 80 to 90%, even 100%. And then you can be sure about your prelims. That is what you can say this.